Here is how you can create your death screen in Roblox in less than 5 minutes. First, you want to open the server script storage and add a script. In the script, you want to use the player's game service and set their respawn time to 6 seconds. Next up, go to the starter GUI and create a screen GUI called Death Screen. Now this will be your basic death screen. You can customize it however you like, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be adding a frame with a text label and an UI gradient to keep things simple. You want to center the frame in the middle of the screen by setting the anchor points to 0.5 and the position to 0.5 and 0 and change the size so it can cover up the entire screen. For the text label, we'll do the same, but this time we won't cover up the screen. You can play around with the text label font size until you find a suitable style. I just realized the fact that a Half-Life death screen would have been much easier to implement. But anyway. Once you finish styling your frame and text label, go to Lighting, add a blur effect, and set its size to 0, and also a color correction effect that I'll be naming Death Filter. I'll be setting its brightness to -0.2, its contrast to 0.8, and its saturation to -0.8. I'll also settle for a gray color, so the entire screen gives this black and white vibe. Once you're done adding the effects, you want to open the toolbox, go to Audio, choose any sound you want, add it to Replicated, and rename it to Death Sound. Now, in the starter character, scripts add a local script where you reference the screen guy, the effects, the sound you said, and also the local player. We want to create a function that changes the way the player's screen looks every time he takes damage called onHealthChange, and also add a tween statement that detects if the player is dead, if he is then play a text and frame tween animation, and also set the camera type to orbital. We will create another function called onRespawn that reverts everything back to normal, which will trigger every time the player respawns, and yeah, this is it. Now it is time to test it, and yeah, it works. Thank you for watching, and also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys thought this tutorial was helpful.